Students, today I'll explain you the types of similarity in the similar triangles. Already I explained you the difference between the similar triangles and the congruent triangles. All the congruent triangles are similar, but all the similar triangles are not congruent. That also with the figure difference I will clear you. First, you'll see that if the two triangles have been taken, like the one triangle ABC and another triangle is what, that is the PQR. One is given, angle A is given what, 50 degree, and angle B is what, 60 degree. Angle P is also 50 degree and angle B is 60 degree, and angle C is what, 70 degree, and angle R is also 70 degree. You will see that all the three angles are given and that are equal. Angle A equal to what, angle P, and angle B equal to what, angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. Here these three angles are equal to what? In triangle PQR, that are the equal angles. So these two triangles are called the equiangular. So equiangular triangles are always similar. If the condition is that, so therefore by AAA similarity, they are similar. AAA similarity is that. Okay. Now you know that angle sum property of the triangle. If the two angles are given of any triangle, then we can find the third angle. Here, suppose the 50-60 degree is given only, then definitely by solving we can get the 70 degree also, and another triangle also we can get that what? Okay. So this case also the only two angles are given, even though they are equiangular and they are similar, because third angle we can find by solving by angle sum property we can find. So it is the what, if the two angles are given only, angle A equal to angle P and angle B equal to angle Q, so by AA similarity they are what, similar. By AA similarity they are similar. Okay. So two similarity you have seen, that AAA similarity, AA similarity. Now the next is there triple S similarity. What is the triple S similarity? In this similarity, what is, the angles are not given. Angles are not given. Only the what, sides are given. AB equal to what, 4 centimeter, and the PQ equal to what, 8 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, and this is the 12 centimeter, and AC is equal to what, 7 centimeter, and PR equal to what, 14 centimeter. You will see that both triangles, they have not equal sizes, but their shape is same. Why shape is same? Because they are in the same ratio, AB upon PQ and the BC upon QR, and this is, you will see that AB upon PQ what will come, and BC upon QR what will come. We will put the value AC upon PR. The relation between the triangle ABC and the triangle PQR, you will see that AB is what, 4 centimeter, and PQ is what, 8, BC is what, 6, and this is the 12, and AC is what, 7, and this is 14. You will see every time it is coming 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. You will see that ratios are equal, they are in proportion. So therefore this time the triangles are what, that are similar, and by which rule? They are triple S, because the side relation is their triple S similarity. So by triple S similarity they are similar, because every time 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 it is coming. If this ratio is given anywhere in a triangle, not same side, other sides are given but they are in proportion, therefore the triangles will be similar. Now which case they will be congruent? when AB equal to PQ and BC equal to QR, AC equal to PR, that time they will be what? That will be AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. That time they will be what? That will be congruent. AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR. 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1. At that time. So condition that time congruent. So we are here we are doing the similarity case. Now the three things we have got: AAA, AA and AAA similarity. One is there SAS similarity. What is the SAS similarity? In that two sides and in between that two sides that one angle is given. It is not compulsory only this angle A also we can take, angle P also we can take. There suppose this is given 60 degree and this is also given 60 degree. You will see that AB upon PQ equal to what? BC upon QR and angle B equal to angle Q. So this time you will see that two sides and the one angle. So therefore this is the what? SAS similarity. What is there? SAS similarity. Means their corresponding two sides are what? That are proportional. And angle B equal to angle Q. That time it will be what? SAS similarity. Now the one similarity is more than AAS. AAS is saying that suppose this is 60, 70 and this is also 70 and the one side is given, not in between that. Suppose this is what? 7 centimeter and this is 14 centimeter. Okay. So that time also they will be what? Similar, because two angles, the one side that are what? In proportion they are. Okay. So that time the SAS similarity will be there. No, AAS similarity. So these are the kinds of the similarity. In this way we can define the what? Similar triangles. How many conditions are there? Okay students, thank you.